How to fix your Netflix black screen problem? Well, there are a couple of common reasons why you would be facing this problem. So the first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. So make sure that your device is connected to internet, and you can also try restarting your router. The other thing you can do is close your Netflix application and also try restarting your device completely, then open Netflix again, which should go ahead and solve your problem. If that is not the case, you want to make sure the HDMI cable is securely connected, and you can try another cable or a different HDMI port. If you're watching on an Android device, you can simply go to Settings, App, Netflix, Storage, and simply go ahead and clear cache. Also, outdated apps can cause black screen issues, so you can go to your App Store or Play Store and make sure that your application is up to date. If you're using any kind of VPN or proxy, definitely go ahead and disable it. Or if not, and none of it works, then you want to simply go ahead and contact Netflix support. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.